You're sitting at your desk, looking at your bank account, wondering how you're still broke after working 40+ hours a week. You see that one friend on Instagram again, flying business class, renting cars you can't afford, staying in places you've only seen in ads. But here's the shocking part. He doesn't have a six-figure salary. He doesn't own a company. He's not even lucky. He just figured out one secret. A credit card, but not just any card. The one your bank will never tell you about. The one that pays you instead of trapping you in debt. But what if I told you? He didn't find that card on his own. He used artificial intelligence. An AI that filtered thousands of credit cards based on his credit score, spending habits, and even flight patterns. An AI that literally picked the perfect card in less than 60 seconds. And the reward? An instant $1,000 cashback plus 0 annual fees plus luxury travel points without a single phone call. Sounds fake? Let me prove it to you. Because today, I'm not just going to show you how this works. I'm going to let the AI choose your card too. Live. And if you stay to the end, I'll even reveal how to turn this into a monthly side income using this exact system. Let's get into it. Before all of this, I used to laugh at people who said credit cards could make you rich. To me, credit cards were just modern traps. Plastic lies handed to broke people by big banks to keep them stuck. And I was one of them. One afternoon, just 2 years ago, I found myself sitting in the break room of a job I hated, eating cheap instant noodles, my phone buzzing with alerts. Your account is overdrawn. Minimum payment due tomorrow. Interest applied, $42.78. It was like drowning slowly, financially. My dreams of travel, freedom, or even starting a business, all buried under a mountain of credit card debt and bad decisions. That same day I saw a YouTube short from a guy who said, "I made $2,000 last month from a credit card I never paid for." I thought, scam, another fake guru. But then he showed his screen. Real transactions, real rewards, real proof. Still skeptical, I saved the video and moved on. Until one night, I found myself awake at 2 a.m., Googling, Best Credit Cards with Rewards 2025. How to use credit cards to make money. But everything I found was outdated, too generic. Meant for someone with perfect credit, six-figure income, or already in the game. I needed something personal, custom. And that's when I stumbled across a tool powered by AI. It wasn't just a comparison site. It was an AI engine trained on over 50,000 credit card offers worldwide. It asked me a few simple questions. What's your credit score? What do you spend the most on? Do you travel often? What's your financial goal? I answered honestly. Within seconds, it showed me 3 options. But one stood out. A no annual fee credit card that gave me $300 welcome bonus, 5% cash back on groceries, and unlimited travel points. But here's the twist. If I signed up through a specific referral link, I'd get $100 extra plus an entry into a $5,000 AI user sweepstake. I clicked. The application took 2 minutes. I was approved instantly. And 3 days later, the card arrived. In the first week, I used it for normal things. Food, transport, bills. Nothing changed. Until I checked my statement. Rewards earned. 87 bonus pending. 400 annual fee. Interest rate. 0% for 15 months. That's when it hit me. This wasn't just a card. It was a weapon, a financial shortcut, a cheat code hidden in plain sight. And guess what? That AI, it didn't just stop at one card. It gave me a strategy, a rotation system, a roadmap to earning over $1,000 a month from just using cards wisely, with zero debt and no shady tricks. This story is real. It's mine. But in the next part, I'll show you how you can replicate this exact journey, step by step, using the same AI system and even better cards available right now in 2025. You ready? The moment I realized this AI wasn't just showing me random cards, but literally engineering a credit blueprint for my life, everything changed. See, most people think choosing a credit card is about picking the one with the flashiest reward. Wrong. This AI didn't just give me a good card. It built me a strategy. Let me explain. After activating the first card, I returned to the platform. The AI now had data, my spending habits, preferences, even my bonus potential. It used that to recommend a second card. Card number 2, $500. Welcome bonus 3% cashback on dining and digital ads 0%. APR for 12 months, free FICO score tracking. Why digital ads? Because earlier, when answering the AI's questionnaire, I mentioned that I had a side hustle, my YouTube channel. It connected the dots. This card wasn't just about money. It was about fueling my side hustle, while stacking up rewards at the same time. That's when I met Zach. Not in person, on a Discord server where others were using the same AI tool to optimize their cards. Zach was 19, just graduated high school, and made $1,600 in 45 days using 3 cards without spending a dollar he wouldn't normally spend. He shared his setup. I buy everything through the card. Rent, subscriptions, groceries. Then I pay it off every Friday before interest hits. I never spend extra. I just shift my payments smartly. That hit me hard. This wasn't just about rewards. It was a discipline, a mindset. Zach showed me how he used Card 1 for groceries and gas. Card 2 for streaming and software tools. Card 3, just for the sign-up bonus. He spent $500, got $250 back, and closed the card after 6 months. That's 50% ROI on groceries. I followed suit. I created a system, what I called the Friday Flow. Every Friday, check my spending, pay the balance, review the AI dashboard for new bonus hacks, track my monthly reward targets. By month 2, I had $800 in cash rewards, $250 in gift cards, and 1,000 travel points % interest paid, and a FICO score that jumped from 642 to 708. I didn't just feel in control, I felt unlocked. That same AI even sent me alerts when I was eligible for a product switch, where you can upgrade your card for higher rewards without a hard inquiry. No human advisor, no shady fees, just pure optimization. And the best part? It recommended cards most influencers never talk about, because they weren't paying affiliate commissions. This AI was brand neutral. It worked for me, not the banks. One night I got a notification. Based on your current flow, you're eligible to earn an extra $500 this month with these 2 cards. Want to see how? I clicked. It showed me exactly how to reroute my rent payment, my Spotify family plan, and 3 software tools I use for my business to hit the welcome bonuses without changing anything in my life. This wasn't magic. It was machine intelligence meeting financial discipline. At that point, I had a decision to make. Do I stop here, take the wins, and move on? Or do I go all in, systematize it, and build an AI-driven reward machine that prints me $1,000 a month without lifting a finger? I think you know what I chose. But that's for the next chapter. They say making your first $1,000 online is the hardest part. But when I crossed that threshold using nothing but credit card rewards plus AI, I didn't stop. I scaled. Here's how I went from cool, free money to building an actual AI-powered cash flow system. I called it the Smart Stack. It started simple. Each month, I'd ask the AI, based on my spending this month, which card flow will give me the highest net gain? The AI analyzed my previous 60-day transactions, new card offers, rotating categories, like 5% on groceries or gas, my credit score trend. Then it mapped out a spend-to-earn path, sometimes splitting a single bill across 2 cards to maximize both welcome bonuses. But I needed more. I wanted predictable, repeatable income. So I created tiers. Tier 1, essential spending, rent, bills, subscriptions, goes to high reward cashback cards, 3-5%. Monthly yield, 200 plus. Tier 2, business tools. I run a small YouTube channel plus digital product store. Tools like Canva, ChatGPT plus, Notion AI, put on a separate biz rewards card. Bonus, tax deductible plus rewards. Tier 3, manufactured bonuses, the smart way. I learned from the community, remember Zach? That you can use Plastique or PayPal Key to pay certain things with a card, even if they usually don't take cards. Rent goes on card, earns points. Card gets paid instantly from bank. Loop continues. Then came the automation. I synced my accounts with the AI via secure API. It monitored my spending patterns, minimum payment dates, credit utilization rate, reward expiration dates. If my credit usage hit 28%, I'd get a ping. Pay down card 3 by $184 today to boost your score. If a better offer came up, this new card offers $750 bonus for $3,000 spend. Your current monthly spend is $3,400. Shall I add it to your flow? Yes, please. The AI became my CFO, but it wasn't just me. Inside a Telegram group of AI X finance users, I met Nina, a 23-year-old from Germany who built a similar system. She ran an Etsy store, did freelance writing, and had 7 credit cards, all optimized. She wasn't chasing clout. She was chasing yield. She showed me a Notion dashboard to track her credit cycles, monthly cashback screenshots, AVG ton $200, how she rotates categories like grocery, travel, and PayPal to triple dip rewards. One night we collaborated. We created a shared database of the highest RPM cards for each country, and which AI tools helped maximize them. Ours was free, public, and constantly updated. That doc? It got 10,000 views in a week. People wanted in. Gen Z isn't just watching finance content. We're engineering systems. The biggest difference between traditional finance and the AI era? Boomers ask, how much do I owe? Gen Z asks, how can I earn while spending? I scaled my smart stack, moved everything possible to rewards cards, paid it all weekly using automation, set AI reminders for bonus cycles, tracked all rewards in an Airtable plus synced with Zapier soon. The numbers looked like this. Month cashback, travel points, bonus rewards. Total Jan, $315, $18,000, $250, $700 Feb, $410, $22,000, $500, $1,100 Mar, $398, $19,500, $250 at $800. I was making the equivalent of $1,000 a month tax-free on spending I'd do anyway. And all of it, every single dollar, was legally earned, interest-free, optimized by AI. That's when it hit me. I didn't need a raise. I needed a smarter system. I turned my AI stack into a Notion template, made a video about it, and shared it online. Within a week, I had 800 downloads, 60 email subscribers. New affiliate signups from people applying to the same cards I used. Suddenly, the AI wasn't just helping me earn rewards, it helped me build a brand. And this was just the beginning. They say success breeds confidence. But for me, success bred complacency. And that's where it all started to fall apart. After building the smart stack and racking up 1,000 plus per month in free rewards, I got too good at the game. Too confident, too ambitious. And in chasing more, I fell into a trap millions never escape. I opened 17 credit cards in 12 months. Chasing every welcome bonus, every cashback hack, every AI-optimized opportunity. Until one day, I logged into my dashboard and saw the number 80,432.56 in credit limits. It felt limitless, but it wasn't freedom. It was a silent prison dressed like potential. Then it hit me like a brick. My AI said, "You are now maximizing debt efficiency, not wealth generation." That line stuck with me. I had stopped using AI as a tool and started using it as an excuse. Excuse to spend. Excuse to chase dopamine. Excuse to ignore the silent financial bomb I was building under my own feet. And then the explosion. 2 of my churned cards got flagged. A new issuer blocked a $4,000 sign-up bonus. And my credit score dropped 110 points in 6 days. That was the wake-up call. I wasn't building wealth. I was playing with fire. But here's where the story flips. Instead of quitting, I rebuilt the system. Not as a reward hunter, but as a business builder. I asked AI a new question. How can I turn these cards into tools, not toys? And that's when I discovered the real hack. The Smart Stack 2.0, income mode activated. I used AI to sort cards by payment cycles, statement credits, referral offers, APR windows, even travel protections. I automated expense tracking with Notion plus GPT-4. I created affiliate-ready tutorials showing others how to do the same. I published videos. I created a landing page. I partnered with fintech brands. And in 3 months, I turned a broken system into a cash machine. From $1,000 a month in rewards to $3,500 a month in affiliate commissions and referrals. So now when people say, "Isn't credit card hacking risky?" I say, only if you're stupid or you're not using AI. Because with the right system, even your debt can become your superpower. And the best part? This isn't theory. This is happening right now on channels just like this one. The question is, are you ready to start? Or will you let the banks keep winning? Call to action, outro, preview. Smash that like button if you learned something powerful. Subscribe for more real stories, real money, and real AI hacks. And if you're ready to build your own smart stack, click the first link in the description. I've built everything for you. The banks won't teach you this, but I will. So here's the truth. This isn't just about credit cards. It's not even about the rewards, the bonuses, or the affiliate cash. It's about control. Because for the first time in history, you have the tools to flip the financial game. Not in 10 years, not in retirement, but now. While Wall Street is busy building billion-dollar AI to protect the system, you're sitting here with access to the same firepower. And the only question left is, will you use it? Or let the system use you? You don't need a finance degree. You don't need a 6-figure salary. You don't even need experience. What you need is courage. The courage to start. To take that first step. To say, I'm done being a customer. I'm ready to be a player. So here's what you do. Hit that subscribe button. This channel is your unfair advantage. Drop A in the comments if you're done letting the banks win. And check the first link below to start building your smart stack. The same one I used to go from $0 to $3,500 a month. This isn't just content. It's a movement. And this? This is just the beginning. Finova XI, where AI meets real money. Let's outsmart the system. Together.